Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to set up Do Not Disturb schedule in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for Do Not Disturb options, we need to go to Settings, then in Notifications we have our Do Not Disturb, and we can do a few things here. We can edit existing schedule here, for example, when we are sleeping. And we can also set up time and save. Now our Do Not Disturb will be turned on during these hours. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.